Hey, today I've just installed this Nextbase 522 into this 23 plate VW Tiguan. So there's the camera. We've got obviously front and rear, all rear. Okay, like that. That cable then travels all the way along the back. We've got the special power cable for it. Okay, I always like to fit the OBD cable to these, which is the proper cable for the vehicle, the 522 and the rear camera. If I go to the back, rear camera installed on the glass, so it comes down the back, down here through this rubber boot, all the way to the back, all the way to the front of the vehicle rather, and that looks very neat and tidy. I want me to press the button and close the door. Okay. There's the camera. Okay, the power supply comes from the OBD, which is under here. You can't really see it. There's the fuse for it. There's the OBD lead there. Brilliant piece of kit these are. Okay, thank you for watching.